for its beauty and natural resources. It's undoubtedly that Tanzania is one of the richest countries in Africa. At 947,303 square kilometers, Tanzania is the 13th largest country in Africa and 31st largest in the world. It borders Kenya and Uganda to the north, Rwanda, Burundi, and Democratic Republic of Congo to the west, Zambia, Malawi, and Mozambique to the south. Tanzania is located on the eastern coast of Africa and has an Indian Ocean coastline approximately 800 kilometers long. It incorporates several offshore islands including Unguja, famously known as Zanzibar, Pemba, and Mafia. The country is the site of Africa's highest and the lowest point, Mountain Kilimanjaro, at 5,895 meters above sea level, and the flows of Lake Tanganyika at 352 meters below sea level. Three of Africa's greatest lakes are partly within Tanzania. To the north and west lies Lake Victoria, Africa's largest lake, and Tanganyika, the continent's deepest lake, known for its unique species of fish. To the southwest lies Lake Nyasa. Central is the largest plateau with the plains and arable land. The eastern shores is the hot and humid with the Zanzibar archipelago just offshore. The Kalembo waterfalls in the southern west region of Rukwa are the highest uninterrupted falls in Africa and are located near the southeastern shores of Lake Tanganyika on the border with Zambia. The Menai Bay Conservation Area in Zanzibar's largest marine protectorate area, Tanzania, has a 38% of land set aside as protected for conservation, has 16 national parks plus a variety of game and forest reserves. Being rich in minerals such as diamonds, copper, gas, and uranium, this is the second largest gold producer in Africa, one of the only producers of Tanzanite in the world, a gemstone named after the name of the country Tanzania. But besides all, Tanzania is ranked 24th out of 25 the poorest countries in Africa. So what is the problem behind this glory? For one to tell the reasons as to why a nation can be or is so poor, it's not something very easy. It needs a lot of study, it needs so much to be invested into finding out the reasons as to why a country is poor, and maybe why or what can be done to save the country from that current situation of poverty into making it a better and better. Now, for a country like Tanzania, you cannot just make a simple conclusion as to why the country is poor by just looking at the current situation. In order to tell the current situation, one has to trace back, to look into the history background of the country. You can tell, but what kind of history are you going to look? Whenever you talk about a government, its development, its rise and fall, you are talking about its politics. So, in order to get the answers as to why Tanzania is in poverty, we have to look at the politics and the political history of Tanzania. And then we can have the answers as to why this nation is poor. But what kind of history are you going to look? Whenever you talk about a government, its development, its rise and fall, you are talking about its politics. So in order to get the answers as to why Tanzania is in poverty, we have to look at the politics and the political history of Tanzania, and there we can have the answers as to why this nation is poor.